we've got another surprise, which is that last Sunday I was here at Unity, and before church I heard this young man playing the piano, and it was so beautiful. And I was like, I want to make music with this person sometime. So Nikko, I would love if you would come up and play with me. I also want to give one more especially big round of applause for Dave Finch, because he organized all of these guys tonight. I'm super grateful. So Nikko is so courageous that he's going to make up a song right now with us. And it's going to be beautiful. And I would love some input from you again, but this time I would love something that you want more of. I'm thinking, like, we're co-creating heaven on earth, together. So what, did you say more cowbell? Oh, Dave. I was really going for like a prayerful, meditative feeling, but I'll still accept more cowbell in my heart also. So 3 words from the audience, something you want more of. Mahalo. Ooh, mahalo. That's beautiful. That's a Hawaiian word for thank you. Peace, mahalo. One more. What was it? Something. Oh, the cowbell. I think that's all we need. Those are 3 things. Cowbell. Okay, we got cowbell, mahalo, and peace. I think this is a beautiful opportunity to bring together things that might seem otherwise desperate. So I believe in us. I think we could do this. All right, Nikko, why don't you take it away? Give it up for Nikko. Thank you so much. That was so beautiful.